vlog. We are really laughing today. At breakfast, early morning, I'm going to college. And directly became back here for walk. Let's see what we get to. It's been it's mad insane machine we are waiting for. Let's go. वहाँ पे मेरे को ये बाइक मिली है। इट्स बीन CBR 1000 Repsol, इसको फायर ब्लेड भी कहते हैं। Which is the 99cc liquid cooled engine super liter class bike. The bike is so sexy and the speed of it is damn crazy, man. The voice and loud noise of this rest fit exhaust is totally crazy, absolutely insane. The disc brakes of 320 mm and the rear wheel disc of 220 mm. So this bike is generally a mad machine, though it's not having the electronics being installed over it, and the total of this is totally up to 1000 cc. It's 99cc. It gets crazy high at that speed, and that power of 200 bhp is total crazy for this bike on track and on roads, on our roads. It's damn aggressive. The aerodynamics, the structure of it is damn aggressive compared to other bikes, but it can be used on tracks and on our roads also. It's not so aggressive like ZX-10R and Aprilia RSV Force. It's been damn comfortable on our roads and on track. The bike is super cool and it's liter class bike. The total mad machine. So just a theme. This bike is 2013 and 14 model, which is basically a CBO model. CBO model just means that it's basically imported from Japan, and there are two types, which is CBO and CKD. Which means CKD means the manufacturing assembly of the bikes, such like 650F, CBR 650F, which is manufactured and assembled in India, and this bike is totally manufactured and assembled in Japan, which has been imported to India. So let's introduce my friend, my brother, the owner of this bike, the crazy bike, my friend Dushan Thakur. Yeah, bro, the machine is damn crazy, man. Thank you. When did you buy this bike?
Basically, I got this bike a year and a half back. Okay, and till today, I'm very happy with the bike.
So, what other bikes you had before this fire blade?
That's a long story actually. Basically, I started my journey with a 225cc Honda Stunner. Okay, that was just a small capacity bike. After that, I got a Pulsar 220. Okay, Pulsar 220 was something which I was very mad at. Okay. After that, I also had a Duke 390. Then the journey kept on going. My first inline 4 was basically a Z800. Okay. And after that, I also had a Hayabusa.
That was a legendary bike.
Yeah, man, of course. And basically, Hayabusa was a very interesting part of my life. Okay. And after that, I also had a ZX10R Ninja. Okay. And finally, after owning all these bikes, now at this point of time, I have a CBR Fireblade, and that too a Repsol limited edition.
Aftermarkets have been installed on this bike. Yes, sir.
So basically, see, now I have a zero gravity visor on the bike. Okay. Then you can see a race fit exhaust is there. Okay. Then we have clash protectors. Then engine protector. Then I have spools installed on the bike. Okay. Then these are some tank protectors over here. Also I have installed Dynojet and power commander on the bike. So basically it enhances the power of the bike. And there are many modifications which are done till date. Okay. And like after installing all this in bike, capacity has increased a lot. There's a huge difference between a stock bike and a modified bike or a aftermarket bike like this.
Overall ownership experience.
So the overall ownership experience is fabulous. I'm in love with the bike. This bike is very good in maintenance and all. Service is quite nearby to the place, and like I'm very happy to own this bike.
So this is Dushan Thakur, and his Instagram ID you can just see over here. The name Global Villager, which has been mentioned on the bike. The this bike is so damn insane. It's literally a crazy bike.
I'm a motherfucking star.
So right now we are in Andheri, going for lazy ass bikers to buy a jacket for Icon.
Annie hot. Annie hot. Annie hot.
This jacket came only in two colors. One is the blue and one is the black red. It will not flap too much. Should be good.
The day was so exhausting. Now we had so now we would have a dinner somewhere and done with Dushan's jacket. Now let's go. But आज के लिए बस इतना ही.
Yeah.